Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to open your App Store application. Here it is, and then at the bottom right corner click on the search icon. Then at the top of your screen click on the search bar and type Instagram. After that you need to find this application, and then you need to see if there are some new updates available. So if there are, you need to download them. It can be one of the solutions of your problem. But if you still got this problem, the second thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and find general option, here it is, and then click on the third option, iPhone storage. Then you need to scroll down these applications and find Instagram, here it is, and then you will see two different options. You need to click on the first one option, offload app, then offload app again, and then after offloading you will see the blue button reinstall app, and then you need to click on the reinstall app. So after reinstallation your problem will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.